Just a little video hiking down the trail to the castle that's closed, but it's still a lovely trail with great views. I mean, look at that view. Oh, there's a little red submarine going by. The water's good. I was in it. It's cold. I bet that red submarine tourist thing is heading into the kind of the cave. Over the last 2 days, there's been a cruise ship here for the day, and I guess most people go on the excursion to Mount Etna. Just they moor sort of in that harbor there. But look at that water, eh? Doesn't that look nice? And that's the Roman theater built 2,000 years ago. Let's walk a little bit more. But what's really remarkable here is the cactus. I mean, look at those cactus all the way up to the flag. Let's have a look here. See the cactus growing all the way up. This is unbelievable. And on that note, one last look here at Taormina.